Welcome to your Miami Realtors Remine Month, May 2020. Today featuring property value. Remine offers property values in two locations: on the map under the property value filter and on the property details page. Here we can see the property value in an area, click in, select a price to apply, click apply, and now properties in that range stay with a marker. We can then select and find the property like this one is estimated at $934,000 plus. This allows us to navigate the map and get the information that we're looking for. Another example of property value or valuation in the system of Remine is within a property, the valuation area. Property valuation in Remine is not an absolute value, but rather an estimate so that you can quickly visualize property values on the map. An AVM is determined by recent sales, tax assessment, and comparable properties. The data in Remine includes property information from First American Valuations, Black Knight, and more. Use the property valuation in the system to get everything you need. Use Remine. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.